All right, we're going to spend some time a little bit to talk about the Nigerian market. But let's be part of the global Bitcoin bandwagon. The futures, what you call the cryptocurrencies futures, is now on CBOE. You want to try to unpack this for you. There are three type of futures or contracts that was launched yesterday, December the 10th. You have the XBT F8, the XBT G8, and XBT H8. Those were the three futures contracts that's open, and we told you XBT F8 is now around 2,700 and climbing in terms of the number of contracts. Each of these contracts, according to CBOE, the maximum price, minimum price intervals is at 10 points. A US dollar XBT equals $10 per contract, and there is no limit to the type of contract that you can have in terms of size. But right now, we're seeing 2,700. CBOE also pushed out information that there is no allowance for block trade yet on the Bitcoin futures that was launched yesterday. Block trading on Bitcoin futures will only be allowed from Sunday, December the 17th. That's about on Bitcoin currencies. But let's take a look at the Nigerian market. Here, we started a brand new trading week, 46.08% in the kitty as far as the equities market is concerned. Rotimi Fakayejo from Enterprise Stockbrokers is joining us on the phone to kick off the trading week. Till this offer us, Rotimi, good morning. Hope you had a very nice weekend. What's your outlook for this week? Well, I guess we lost Rotimi there. Let's get back to the Bitcoin story. I'm a Bitcoin reporter. I report everything and everyone on the market, so it's my business. Why, if you're trading Bitcoins and you have a number of Nigerians, especially the folks who are young and those who are not so young as well, getting into the Bitcoin trading. Now you have a futures. Futures allow you to take position in the future on what you call a contract for Bitcoin, and you can do that about $10 for each transaction that you are doing. 10 points of the dollar XBT. That's the trading symbol on CBOE. It's called XBT. That's what is there. So you got three different type of features that were launched yesterday, and the XBT F8 is the one grabbing the most of the contracts right now, more than 2,700 as we speak this morning. This is what is grabbing the global traders and investors' attention as we start a brand new business week, not only here in Nigeria, but around the world. Let's get Rotimi Fakayejo back into not a Bitcoin, but stocks conversation. Rotimi, good morning. It's good to have you. Hope you had a very nice weekend. Yes. Rotimi, we're just trying to find out, what's your outlook on the current trading week? Okay, I guess that's a really not so good to start the week there. Rotimi, unfortunately, we can hear you, so we appreciate your coming through, trying to get to join us on the program. But let's remind you, our viewers, the Securities and Exchange Commission and the NSE, that's the stock exchange, has approved plans by one of the brokerage firms, Vision Trust and Investment Limited, issuing a public notice of voluntary liquidation and appointment of a default stockbroker. That will be Harmony Securities Limited. In other words, Vision Trust and Investment Limited is packing up shop and closing down. That's what it means. Harmony Securities Limited has been appointed as a default stockbroker. So if you got shares, or if you got a trading account with Vision Trust and Investment Limited, you've got 14 days, that's 2 weeks from today, where the announcement has been publicly made, to transfer your stockbroking accounts out of Vision Trust and Investment Limited to any stockbroking firms of your choice, or the liquidation managers or to Vision Trust and Investment will transfer your brokerage account involuntarily into Heritage. Oh, I beg your pardon. Harmony. I beg your pardon. Harmony Securities Limited is the one taking over from Vision Trust and Investment Limited. Let news take over from here. I am boosting them off, and I will see you at the other side of the day. That's tomorrow, 10 o'clock, bright and early. Let's have something else decent and more interesting, as always, to discuss.